Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Revolution in the world of transactions has emerged. Yes, I'm talking about Cashless Bazaar, a path-breaking platform that has gathered a lot of loyal user base. It works on the principles of barter system and makes monetary transactions redundant.
We will be coming up with something new and innovative.
Too impressive.
It sounded pretty interesting.
Old wine in a new bottle.
We look for the best of the services. Is legally valid.
It has provided me a lot of opportunities.
I got a lot of business through Cashless Bazaar.
Without paying anything.
The results is satisfactory.
There you go. Now I will introduce you to the mastermind behind it all, the CEO and founder of Cashless Bazaar, Mr. Piyush Agarwal.
Well, we are working on a very strong insight here, and we realized that lot of businesses across have a dead capital. This was not affecting the business, but the economy as a whole. So we wanted to come up with some solution, and thus Cashless Bazaar was born in 2016.
Well, knowing Piyush for this long, I always knew that he will be coming up with something new and innovative. So last year he came up with this idea, and this was actually a very brilliant idea.
And we went to a tax consultant, established professional, Mr. Vinod Kothari from Vinod Kothari and Company, who is the best in this field. So just to avoid any kind of legal dispute, we went to him for a written opinion on these things, and he gave us a written opinion. Yes, CBTP is legally valid.
During demonetization, when there was a crunch of cash money, at that time I got a lot of business through Cashless Bazaar because that time people didn't have money. So they went through Cashless Bazaar to do the party at my banquet. And at the same time, I had a lot of options for all the products which I bought through Cashless Bazaar. Like I was making hotels, I bought switches and other eatables also.
Every person have their own area, own range. And if you are getting a salesperson without paying anything, and that salesperson is working for you and is giving you the business without taking any salary, then it is expansion of business by a different way, different mode.
Well, we have kept the process very easy and user-friendly. You have to first register your business with us on our website. There is a short approval process, after which we assign a relationship manager. The next step is to upload your catalog of products and services with images and prices, and we suggest market operating price we call MOP. Once our team verifies the catalog, it will be visible on our website for other users to browse. Once a purchase is made by a user, you will have to ship your product or provide your services, and then you can earn Cashless Bazaar trade point for your purchases. In monetary terms, one trade credit is equal to 1 rupee. You can then redeem these Cashless Bazaar trade point or CBTP by making purchases on our website.
Wow, that's really great, sir. And thank you so much for coming on this show today.
Check out Cashless Bazaar today. Go cashless.